There's something quietly extraordinary happening inside your Galaxy phone. A transformation you might not even notice at first, but once you unlock your screen or open your favorite app, you'll feel it. Samsung's One UI 8 and the upcoming 8.5 update are reshaping how your phone looks, thinks, and reacts. This isn't just another update, it's Samsung redefining what smart truly means in your hands. If you love staying ahead of the curve, make sure to drop a like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss the latest Galaxy drop. Because today, we're diving into a game-changing update that might just make your phone feel alive. Samsung's rollout of One UI 8 has already kicked off across the Galaxy S25 and S24 series, spreading fast through the lineup. But this version feels different, not because it's flashy, but because it's subtle and intentional. Every movement, every transition seems designed to make your device feel personal, almost human in the way it responds. The first big change hits your eyes immediately. Dynamic wallpapers. These aren't static backgrounds anymore. They shift naturally with the time of day, glowing bright under the morning sun and dimming softly as night falls. It's a simple effect that makes your phone feel like it's breathing with you. Then comes the smart clock on the lock screen, and it's surprisingly mesmerizing. The time no longer sits still. It adapts to the image behind it, sliding around faces, pets, or scenery, so it never blocks anything important. It's a small detail, but one that instantly makes the interface feel more alive and aware. Samsung also gave the Now Brief feature a serious intelligence boost. It now remembers things you didn't expect, like where you parked your car. The parking reminder automatically drops a pin, saving you from wandering around parking lots. And with built-in YouTube integration, your favorite clips are only one swipe away. Open quick settings, launch Pro mode, or trigger custom tools all with a single move. It's about power, speed, and control made effortless. Multitasking also got a major glow-up. Samsung's split-screen mode now lets you choose exactly how much space each app takes. Want one window 90% and the other just 10%? Done. It's perfect for full users or anyone who wants their workspace to match their workflow perfectly. Visually, One UI 8.5 takes polish to a new level. The notification panel feels handcrafted. You can rearrange toggles, remove clutter, and the new vertical sliders glide smoother than ever. Gradients, shadows, and transitions give the whole interface this elegant, premium motion that's hard to ignore. Even the weather widget got smarter. It now includes smoother animations, richer color transitions, and even a pollen tracker, a small but brilliant addition for anyone who battles allergies every spring. It's thoughtful, modern, and surprisingly useful. But Samsung's real genius lies in what you don't see: power optimization. The new network battery saver learns your habits using on-device AI. When you're asleep or inactive, it quietly slows network usage to save energy. No performance loss, no interruptions, just intelligent efficiency. And now comes the most exciting part. Galaxy AI is back, and it's evolving fast. One UI 8.5 introduces features that turn your phone into an intelligent assistant that feels personal and powerful. It's not just helping you, it's thinking with you. Take Meeting Assistant, for example. You're in a meeting or watching a lecture in another language. Your phone instantly transcribes and translates it live. Subtitles appear in sync with the speaker's voice. No apps, no lag, just seamless translation magic in real time. Then there's Touch Assistant. Highlight any text, a caption, a post, or a news snippet, and your phone can summarize, translate, or simplify it instantly. It's like having a mini research tool built into every tap, saving you time no matter what you're doing. If you've already received One UI 8, congratulations. You're part of the early wave, but the real revolution begins when 8.5 arrives alongside the Galaxy S26. Because this is where Samsung truly merges personality with performance, where your phone feels less like a tool and more like an extension of you. The next era of Galaxy intelligence is here, and it's only getting smarter. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive, drop a like, share your thoughts below, and subscribe for more tech secrets coming your way.